Hello guys, welcome to Coding Smartphone. I'm Dom and this is Canvas Clock Part 2. In Part 1 of Canvas Clock, we learn how to draw the clock's face and also the numbers on the clock. And in this part of the Canvas Clock, that's Part 2, we are going to learn how to draw the clock hand and also how to make the clock start ticking like a real clock. So I'm just going to jump into the JavaScript file. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to call I'm going to call a function called draw time, and the draw time is going to have two parameters, that's the radius and the context. So the next thing I'm going to do is create the draw time function. So instead of draw time function, I'm going to need four variables. The first one is going to have the JavaScript date object as its value, and the second one is going to have the R. So I'm just going to get the R from the date object. It's going to be noun.getR. And third variable is going to hold the minute. So that's going to be noun.getMinutes. And the last variable is going to hold the seconds. So that's going to be noun.getSeconds. Now I'm going to get the current R, the R for right now. So R is going to be equal to R modules 12. So this is giving me the current R. Right now it is 2 o'clock here in the morning here in Ghana. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. Like, share and comment. Your comments and your likes I will very much appreciate. And also I'm going to link a link to the code of this video in the description section, so you can go there, grab the code and modify it how you want it. Okay, and after modifying, you can also choose to share or something there. So I'm going to run this code, and this is going to give me the current R. So there I have 2 here, so because right now it is 2 o'clock. Okay, so after getting the current R, I still need to do some more works on the R. So I'm going to multiply the R by math.py and divide by 6. After that, I'm going to add some more to it. So we're going to add the minutes too. Here I'm going to multiply it by math.py and divide it by 6 multiplying 60. Then lastly I'm going to add the second too. So the second is also going to be multiplied by math.py divided by 60 multiplied by 360. So this is for the R. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the clock hand. So that's the function I'm calling. And it has 4 parameters. That's the context, the position, and the position is going to be the R, and also the third parameter. Third parameter is the length, so I'm going to multiply that by 0 to 5, and the last one is the width, so that's also going to be radius multiplied by 0.07. Now I'm going to create the draw hand function. So the function draw hand. Okay, the context pause length and width. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to begin path. As I said, this function is drawing the hand, the clock hands. Okay, so I begin path first. Set a line width, which is be equal to the width parameter, and the next one I'm going to do here, also set a value for line cap. I'm going to set a round value, and this is going to give us a round shape at the end of the line. Okay, so the next thing here I'm going to do here is rotate the canvas. After rotating the canvas, then I move to a 0, 0 coordinate on the canvas. Then I draw the line using the line 2 method and minus length. Now I'm going to call the stroke. Without calling the stroke, the line will not be drawn. You will not see the line drawn on the canvas. So I have to call the stroke. Then lastly, I'm going to rotate the canvas again, but this time a minus pause. So this should draw the R for us. So there we have the clock hand for the R drawn. So now I'm going to move to the second, the minute first. Before the second, just going to copy this and pass it down here. So here I'm going to just going to change this to minute. Just a very small modification I'm going to do here. I'm just going to modify this code a bit. This time around is going to be 30 here, and it's going to be second. Multiply by 30, 60. Now I'm going to copy this here. And I'm not going to need this, so just clean this code. Over here I'm going to change R to minute, and I'm going to change 0.5 to 0.8, and this I will not change anything. I'll not change it. I'm just going to leave it like that. And when I run this code, this should also draw the clock hand for the minute. Now the last thing I'm going to do here is draw the clock hand for the second. So I'm just going to pass this here, and second is going to be equal to second multiplied by mod.pi divided by 30. So this time just 30. Okay, and I'm going to change this to second, and also I'm going to change this number to 0.9, and this time I'm going to change the width to 0.02, and this should also draw the second for us. Okay, so this is the clock hand for seconds. Now I'm going to put the draw clock function inside set interval, and this is how the clock is going to be taken like a real clock. Okay, so this is going to be the final code I'm going to write, and the last code. Now this should give us a ticking clock. So this is how, guys, you can draw a canvas clock, or you can create a canvas clock. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, and comment. Your commenting and your likes and your sharing, they are very much important to me. And I'm going to leave the link to the source code in the description, so you can just go there, grab it, and do whatever you want with it. This brings us to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.